Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a big one. So we are looking at across protocol or ACX coin itself. As of now, across protocol DAO is under fire. So there were a massive accusations. So basically, as you can see here, across protocol DAO under fire over 23 million fund misuse claim. So this is a big one. So we have this guy, which is the founder of Gilu Leon Ogle. So basically, he says that across protocol slash bridge ACX team used secret votes to extract 23 million from across DAO's treasury for their own private company's benefit. This is a massive read, as you can see here. So I'm not going in depth, or I'm not going to read everything because it's just too big. So he actually gave two parts. So this is part one, as you can see here. In October 2023, Across project led Kevin Chen submitted a public proposal to the DAO requesting 100 million ACX token. The amount is a lot, valued at around 50 million at that time. So this is what started it. After that, this is the second thing. A little less than a year later, so after 1 year, and after the first vote went through without consequences. So basically, according to him, the ACX team basically got 100 ACX tokens. Now, this time they asked the DAO for the retroactive funding of 50 million ACX token worth at 7.5 million. So basically, this is the actual number that he came to, that he claims that the team basically got the funding through the risk lab. According to him, according to basically this guy, they got the funding through the risk lab. But if we go to the reply section as of now, this is Hart Lemba. He is the founder of Across Protocol. So he basically came and replied to his comments. He said that he's the founder. The allegations in here are wrong and untrue, and he did say that what a waste of time. And basically he came back with a massive answer. So as you can see here, he answered for the claim 1 as well as claim 2. So it is unclear, the story is still unfolding, so let's see what will happen in the future. But it is not a good time to actually it is actually not a good time to be a fan of ACX token itself, because if you look here, all of that has actually impacted ACX itself. So the coin itself is basically down from its all-time high back in, if we look here, it actually, the token itself did actually pump a lot back in let just a second, the internet is just so slow. So the token pumped a lot back in 2024 December, and after that it had a massive price crash, you can say. So if we look here, this is how it happened. So the price in December actually ended up hitting over 1.9, and as of now it's actually down to 13 cents. So if we look here, this is over 93% crash. This is just massive, you can see here. No normal coin would actually go down this much. So that means there was something involved here, or the team sold or anything like that, but there was a lot of selling happening for this coin as well. This price action shows that there is something wrong with the coin, obviously. So if you look here, but it is unclear who sold or who not. But if we look at the overall token unlock schedules given to the, this is how it looks like. So DAO treasury gets around 52 million, and as of now the DAO itself still holds over 234 million ACX coins, as you can see here. So the token's utility is to be actually used for the governance itself. Now after that, 12.5% goes to the community. Protocol rewards around 10%, and there are some strategic and fundraising partnerships here. So if we just go here, this is what the coin market cap shows as of now. The core contributors are getting the tokens, and they will continue to do so till 2027, November 2027 to be exact. And if you look here on it, this is exactly when the Rest of the tokens were given to the strategic partners, as you can see here. Back in this was the last big, you can say, unlock in November 2024, and these were some massive unlocks, but they did not sell their tokens, and they were pretty good, and they actually hold the token. But when the price actually ended up hitting nearly $2, everyone, I think, took the profit, and the token price basically crashed, as you can see here. At least that's what it seems like. Still, it is unclear what happened with the token, but again, that's how it looks like now. As of now, this story itself is still unfolding, so we'll have to wait and see what this guy says in response, and if there are third party or if they announce some kind of audit or something like that, that could be a game changer, and that could actually put a lot of light onto the situation itself. But as of now, at least according to this article, if you look here, we have the founder saying, if the funds are misused, you can sue me, the directors. So basically, he says that he is pretty much confident that the funds were used correctly, and if they were misused, he says that you can sue me. So basically, it is unclear how they use the funds and where they actually went, but there are claims that the DAO voting was manipulated, so that's not good. Again, if you look here, the ACX is still down, so that's not good. So we have this statement from the guy itself. He says that had the team not voted on this proposal, it wouldn't have reached the quorum, meaning that it wouldn't have had enough votes to pass at all. So basically, there were some team members who actually voted on it, but still, according to this statement, the team is free to buy tokens, and they did buy it with their own money. So I think it's okay. It is from his words, but again, this is an unfolding story, and everything actually puts a lot of stress on the token itself. But again, even if the coin goes down, I think there is a lot of there is a pretty good support that the token can actually go up. So if we look here, basically from 11 to 9.3 cent, I think that is going to be a pretty good entry point for this coin. If these allegations or if these allegations are true, I think the coin will most likely tank a massive amount, and it will most likely continue to go down. If these are not true, I think the token could actually come from this level. So back when it actually just around this level, it actually ended up hitting this level, and it went as high as 36 cents. So I think if you are planning to buy the coin, first of all, whenever you are planning to buy it, you have to look at the situation and what is happening with the situation, and if the situation has solved, you can actually get into the coin around this level, and I think this seems to be a pretty good demand zone for the coin itself. So let's see what happens. The story is still unfolding, but it is a massive deal for the ACX coin because the price has already crashed this much, around 93%. There must be something going on. Again, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.